Hi, I am Dr. Manasi Razurkar. I welcome you to High Five Unscripted. Today with me is Gauri Kelkar, mother of Kabir Kelkar. Thank you so much, Gauri, for coming.
Anytime, Mansi.
So basically, I want to understand that how is Kabir, his personality. How is he at home, in school, around his friends? Something more about Kabir.
So, Kabir is a very joyful child. Being a COVID child, he started speaking very late.
Okay.
But now he actually is continuously talking.
Right.
He's a very bright and intelligent child. He has a total love for math. He's very good at numbers,
Okay.
and he likes to play continuously with his friends. He's famous amongst his friends. He knows his tables at this age,
Yes.
and that's why they typically call him a genius.
Right. He is the same at High Five as well. Okay, so basically Kabir is with High Five for the past 2 to 2.5 years.
Yes.
And last year in the month of November, I remember one incident happened and Kabir suddenly stopped coming to High Five.
Yes.
So that was like, something, I was very anxious to know that what exactly happened. And same must be the situation with you also being a mother. And suddenly with a gap of, I guess 3 to 4 months, Kabir again started coming to High Five. So can you let me know the reason why you chose High Five again after such a huge gap?
So when Kabir joined High Five for the first time, the transition was very smooth. To be honest, there are hardly few days when I had to actually make him settle down in High Five.
Right.
Until November, it was totally smooth. Not a single day I had to worry about Kabir. So in November, a specific incident happened where I remember one day he came crying at home that he doesn't want to go to High Five again, and I was very surprised. And I approached you,
Yes.
for obvious reasons, and by cooperating with me, by showing the right way guidance for the same, you showed me the footage where he actually saw a small child was being fed,
Yes.
and he got scared,
Yes.
and he repeated the same thing in school also.
Yes.
And I remember the way you guided me. I decided to give Kabir time, not force him to go to High Five. But after 4 to 5 months, the reason for choosing High Five, because High Five, according to me, stands very differently from other centers. Reason being, it's not a typical daycare. You categorize kids as per their age group,
Yes.
engaging them in a right way and not just looking after them. So I was very sure after understanding the incident, after your cooperation, that I want Kabir to go to High Five only, because the development I have seen in him after going to High Five was tremendous, especially being a COVID baby.
Yes.
That development was very important for me.
It was a difficult time after he joined back. I mean,
Yeah.
he used to cry, and the crying continued for a month. And where you were also sitting inside with him for the sessions, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, the transition was amazing because he was going to High Five for 4 hours, and after rejoining after this incident, I started with 1 hour, coming with him to High Five for 1 hour, sitting there, and then today he's back to those 4 hours, 5 hours he comes.
Yes, he was attached to one of my teacher, and he
Yes.
could he used to not enter High Five if she was not at the door. I remember.
Totally. So that was the reason.
How do you feel as a parent, supported, seen, or reassured during this transition phase?
So during this transition phase, when the 4 or 5 months gap was very difficult for me managing at home, but I kept approaching you. I kept approaching the other High Five teachers who
Yes.
kept on calling me regularly. All teachers kept on messaging me, how is Kabir, we are missing him, and that was really the beautiful part of High Five.
Thank you.
I was very surprised because amongst an activity center who has 50 or 100 kids, ensuring a kid who is not coming, how is he? It was a very loving gesture on their part, and I was felt very supported as a parent because I felt care, because it was, as a parent, you also know it is so difficult managing kids at home.
Yes, I understand.
And this was the part of High Five which came to me in front of me for the first time during this transition phase, that you all cared till the end. I mean, it was very, being a center, it was okay for you when one kid is not coming, but you did not show that side of yours.
Thank you so much. So, see, few children take just a week's time to settle. Few children take months to settle. Few children settle quickly and they start crying after few months. So, what are your suggestions to such parents whose children take a lot of time in settling down?
As a parent, I would say every kid is very unique. Every kid is different. Every kid's emotional and sensitive side is very different. What I've observed and what helps is like when you join an activity center, be it school or any other, giving time to the child to settle there is very important. And that time frame can change for a kid from 1 week to even 6 months.
Right.
But after a certain specific time, if you are assured that the activity center is really helping the kid to grow in ways probably which the kid would not grow at home, especially in today's world,
Yes.
then giving time is the best part, because observe your child, observe the changes in him, and then take your steps accordingly.
Okay. Any parental challenges you are facing currently?
Yeah, the typical tantrums at age 5 I'm facing a lot. Kabir being close to numbers, he can actually he knows time.
Right.
So today, right now it's 9 o'clock, then it's 11 o'clock. So he negotiates with me that if you want me to do this right now, then at 11 o'clock I want this chocolate, and then at 1 o'clock I want to see my favorite cartoon. So this is the challenge I'm having right now.
How is Kabir with, is he too much into screen time?
No,
He's not.
No, because see, I'm not amongst those. I'm not part of that. I'll take a pause. So I would say that I'm not at all a parent who would not give screen time to Kabir at all,
Right.
because in today's world, especially technical world, they see the other kids having a screen time of their own.
Yes.
And then after a specific age, they start comparing that if they are getting, then why not me? So there are ways and methods of handling this. So probably in my case, I have kept a rule which works for me as well as for Kabir. So Monday to Friday, I don't give him screen time at all.
So
It's only Saturdays.
it's only over the weekends.
Yeah.
Perfect. Looking back, how do you feel this journey has shaped Kabir emotionally?
So as I told you, Kabir, being a COVID baby, he started speaking very late. So when he started speaking, definitely his emotional side also developed very late.
Correct.
And after visiting High Five, I've observed he has learned caring, he's learned sharing. These terms was not in his mouth at all.
Yes.
He does the same at home. Then he shares all his experiences at High Five, how the birthdays are celebrated, how they teach at High Five, the stories, the storytelling sessions, the activities. He loves going to the ground
Yeah.
because he's excited to wear his new shoes. I've seen this development only because of High Five, and I'm very sure about it.
Thank you. My last question to you is, how could you think High Five can grow or evolve to support parents and children even better?
So my honest suggestion is High Five is an amazing center. When I decided to join High Five, I had visited some other daycares also, and why High Five stands apart is the other daycares are usually just looking after the kids,
Yes.
from a protective point of view.
Yes.
But High Five, that's there, protection is there, but they are developing the kid through various activities. And
Yes.
truly, my survey tells me this is one of its kind of a center. In my area around me, there are no other centers which take so much effort on kids, like a school, literally like a school. I really so there are parents when they come to know that Kabir goes to High Five and it is on Prabhat Road, and they are not my friends are unable to join because of the distance. I really suggest that you should start more centers like High Five. It's really needed in today's world where both the parents are working, everyone is engaged in different way, and the development of child is very important because they hardly meet people in today's chaotic world.
Yes.
So I really suggest if you could start more centers like High Five, nothing like it.
I will definitely keep that into consideration for
Yes.
sure. Thank you so much for coming. Thanks to our venue partner, Studio 55 Architects as well. Thank you.
Thank you.